Affiliate Marketing Explained, a guide to earning passive income online. Welcome to another edition of our series where we help you kickstart your online businesses. Today, we'll dive into the world of affiliate marketing. But first, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a process where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale made through your referral link. Now let's talk about how it works. Affiliate marketing involves three key players. The merchant, who is the creator of the product or service, the affiliate marketer, that's you, and the consumer. You as an affiliate will promote the merchant's products and get paid a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. So, why choose affiliate marketing? Well, it's flexible, cost-effective, and most importantly, it can generate a solid income stream with minimal investment. Plus, you can work from anywhere at any time. So how do you find products to promote? One of the most common ways is by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, or others that fit your niche. Once you've picked your products, it's time to promote. This could be through a blog, a YouTube channel, social media platforms, or email newsletters. The key is to share valuable content that helps your audience solve their problems while seamlessly integrating product recommendations. Now, let's discuss some tips for success. First, always promote products that you personally believe in. This builds trust with your audience. Second, understand your audience's needs and offer solutions. And third, remember that consistency is crucial. Keep producing quality content and the results will come. That's a quick overview of affiliate marketing. Remember, like any business, it requires effort, patience, and a strategic approach. But with time, it can turn into a profitable online business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to kickstart your online business.